Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB Stabilizer. What is GLB Stabilizer? This stabilizer maximizes the available chlorine in pools and is designed to reduce chlorine loss from sunlight exposure. Also, maximizes chlorine efficiency. A properly stabilized pool will significantly reduce rapid dissipation and loss of chlorine caused by a chemical reaction in intense sunlight. Chlorine Stabilizer acts as a shield against such loss. Compatible with chlorine. Product benefits. Maximizes chlorine efficiency. Acts as a shield against such loss. Check the concentration of cyanuric acid periodically at least once a year. Compatible with chlorine. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.